Welcome to the presentation of Telecomp TEU, a comprehensive test evaluation utility dedicated for Chatsworth ACP 100 and ACP 200 optical mark recognition scanners. In this presentation we will use answer sheets as shown here. We have prepared 3 sample sheets. Now we will go to Results tab to start scanning. Click New. Choose a test to be evaluated. As you can see, a chart representing the real answer sheet has been loaded. The application requires such a chart to be predefined in order to interpret pencil marks correctly. On top is a group identifier corresponding to the line here on the real sheet. Here we have a student number zone, similar to this part of the sheet. And lower there are 50 answer zones. In our case, for the sake of brevity, only first 5 answers were filled in on each sheet. We will proceed to feeding answer sheets into the scanner. First, click Scan More. The application tries to find an available scanner and connects to it. We are ready to go, so click OK and feed the first sheet. It has been scanned and received by the application. We can compare this reading to the original sheet. Group number 1 as marked. Student number 310 and here 310. Next, answer marks also match. With a glimpse you can verify if the scan is precise and, if needed, fix weak marks on paper or erase noise or specks. The result of evaluation is automatically calculated. We will get to it in a minute. Now we will feed 2 more sheets. We have 3 sheets total. Each of them can be displayed here by clicking a table row. If a row seems to contain errors, it can be deleted. Then the sheet can be rescanned. Notice the date and time. If we refeed the same sheet one more time, then the new scan overwrites the old one, so an incorrect reading can be fixed and re-evaluated anytime. The list can be sorted by student ID, or by the date, time of reading, or by group ID. Each group can have a different maximum amount of points specified to allow a more elastic approach to defining sets of correct answers for each group. Here are the points scored by the students. For example, student number 122, by marking such answers, got 2.5 points, and because of marking group number 2, maximum points for this group is 7, so his final result is 35.71%. Finally, we can sort the list by result, descending. We can set the date of when the test took place and add a short description, like English grammar conducted by Mr. John Smith. The list can be exported for printing. If we leave this checkbox empty, the export looks like this. The rows in the exported table are in the same order as in the original results table. We can go back, sort it again, and export, and now it's by student ID. Or, again, by result, export, and its by result. If detailed is checked, the exported table looks different. There is more data and lists of answers given by each student are added. For example, student number 310 answered the first question A, B, D, the second B, the third D, the fourth A, B, and the fifth C. A short export can be used to print results for students or to be placed at scoreboards or in glass cases, whereas a detailed export can be treated as a more official document as it contains a full report of the way students answered the questions. If we need to pass the results to another application like Excel, just highlight the table, copy it, open Excel, paste special as text, and now it's available for further processing. The set of scanned answer sheets can be saved. Next time you start the application, you can open those results and, for example, export them again, or scan another sheet if some student was absent from the test and had to write it at a later time. For this presentation, this is all, so thanks for watching and have a look at other movies.